Sige, sir.
What is the use of the magnet?
Indicator lang siya. The use of the magnet is indicator. Indicator siya kung paano siya maapektuhan when the polarity is reversed. Is reversed. So it's just the concept of navigation compass.
No. So what I am trying to, what I was expecting to hear, based on what you wrote here, is used to determine the direction of magnetic fields in relation to electric fields direction. Where is now the direction of the magnetic field? Because what I have seen is just the effect of the turning of the magnet changing. But what you are trying to tell us, kasi in that class, is that particular equipment can show to us the direction of the magnetic field. So the effect of the magnetic field, now my question is, when you change the polarity, where is the magnetic field going?
Probably the north and the south.
So that's what I would like to hear, because that is what you are trying to, that is what the instrument is trying to show. As I have seen now is, when you change polarity, the magnet changes. Why?
Because the magnetic field also changes.
To what direction?
It's the color is telling the direction. Like for example, the red is north, and then the white is the south. So this I forgot to make a
No,
legend.
because you are telling here is the right hand rule, which means, diba, when you diba, when you say, where is the coil?
Here, this one.
Oh, that's the coil. So,
That's the coil.
diba, what happens when you change yung coil is, diba, when you change polarity, the direction of the magnetic field is counterclockwise, like that. So that's why it changes now the poles, and not changes the poles, it attracts now. It attracts. So that is why I'm asking you now, where is the wire? Because when you say right hand rule, we must follow where is your wire. For example, diba, if this is, because you're telling now direction. Diba, if this is the red, no? This is the negative. Negative. So the current flows from
Positive to negative.
So where is the direction? So because when you say right hand rule, where is the direction? Diba? This one points the direction of the
current,
and this is the direction of the magnet. Oh. So if it's going there, so how are you going to hold this? Like this or like this?
This one, if it is a
If you will use
straight wire,
yes,
straight wire like this.
oh, that's the right hand rule. So and then when it goes here, where is
So the coil. Yeah.
So the coil. So because in what you are trying to say is you are now visualizing without using the right hand rule that the flow of magnetic field is going that way. Diba? Like this, Maria.
Like this.
Diba? Like this. It's going there. Diba? So that is why I'm asking you, where is now the direction of the magnetic field? Coming from the wire.
This is the loop of wire. I consider this one as a loop of wire.
Yes.
So using the right hand rule.
So means the direction of the magnetic field is like this. And when you change the polarity, what will happen? You change now your hand.
Your hand.
So that is why it should tell us, your equipment, the instrument should tell us the direction of the magnetic field, not the effect of the magnetic field to the magnet. Because when you say that it's the, as I say it, that is what you are trying to convey. but it is not being seen there because what I have seen is the effect of the magnetic field of the wire to the magnet. But it did not tell me the direction.
It's the work of this the right hand tool.
No, without this, because in your project, it's only this. Because you have a coil here, di ba? You have a coil. So, now, with that, because in your premise also that the children have already background of what electromagnetism, okay. But at that, using that instrument now, mentioning also right hand and left hand rule, when you put it on, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Of the magnet and of the magnetic field of the wire.
Oh, so okay, because I'm using the electromagnetic field.
Yes. Now, so you have to make sure. So in your presentation, in your revision, you have to emphasize that.
Okay, sir.
Because in your function, is to use to determine the direction of the magnetic field. But what we have seen is only the effect of the magnetic field. So the effect of the wire when you introduce electricity, di ba, muna siya, nahimo siya magnet. And then, so pag magnet niya, naapektahan ng imong tinuod ng magnet because it now attracts. Di ba? So, when the direction of the magnetic field, so I kana lang siya, emphasize on the direction of the magnetic field produced by the wire. When you change the polarity, because di ba, in-change yung polarity mo, backward man siya, so mubali po siya. So maana na siya, di ba? Mahimong left, mahimong it's right, pero so when you go back, mo na siya, let us say when you go this way, the movement is like this. But when you go backwards, ini-positive nimo, gibali man nimo, mubali man siya. So, kung padung dito north siya, mo-attract siya sa north. Inibalik niya, kaya mo manggibali, padung dito south man siya, mo-attract siya sa south. Pagbalik niya, kung north na niya siya, mo-attract siya sa south. So, that is the effect. But the question is, what you are telling us is, so, maybe, igno mo nga, when you put the polarity here, the current here, the flow of electricity is from negative to positive. The direction of the magnetic field is this. So, and this is, since the direction, that's north. So, it attracts now the south of the magnet. When you change, bali siya. This one becomes the south. So, attracts the north. So, i-emphasize nimo ang direction sa magnetic field, not the direction, the changes of the magnet. Kaya director man, direction man sa magnetic field nga na-produce sa imong electromagnet.
So where is can the electromagnet be directly seen or it is hidden somewhere?
Ito, sir.
Okay.
May ano siya, may
Mura siya kuan kanang core.
Yeah.
Solid.
So I think that instrument is better off to demonstrate that a coil of wire, when current passes through it, interacts with another magnet.
Mura naman siya solenoid.
Yeah.
Di ba? Imo lang ihang kay solenoid mo pasok magito siya, absorb niya.
Tapos ang direction ng magnet pa. Moving
Yeah.
from north bend to south.
Di ba?
Yeah, but it cannot show clearly the
direction of the magnetic field.
yes, with in relative to the direction of the current.
Of the current, which is the purpose of your instrument.
So in my case, I would suggest that is use that to demonstrate that a solenoid, a current solenoid behaves like a magnet and interacts with the magnet.
Another thing, no, kung mo ni mo bitaw in-use sa compass. How does ano yung similarity niya?
Ganito lang, sir, ang navigation.
Ano ba yung similarity niya? Ang compass,
Magnetic
mga paano, mayroon direction yun. northeast, southwest.
North
North and south.
North and south lang yung middle.
Ha?
Yung middle.
Oh, north, then how will you compare it? Anong similarities nila? Kasi pwede daw yung sabi doon.
Ito lang sir.
Ito lang.
Ito lang ang, di ba yung suspended, yung nabigay siyang compass, yung middle niya suspended.
Suspended.
Ito lang. Ito lang ka na. Kasi,
But the compass need to be reference.
may north, south, west.
No, hindi lang kung ang compass need to be reference, yeah. Always point to
The north.
the magnetic north. Ito, kung sabihin natin na sa picture, hindi mo ito mag-point ng north. Magnetic north ang earth.
Without the kuan,
Magnetic pull lang sa electromagnet. Siguro. So, we cannot compare this to
you cannot use that
magnet compass. Magnet compass.
We cannot use
We
it
cannot
very
use it.
Yung as Hotel said a while ago, parang for example, you don't have a magnetic compass, then you will try to
A
apply
substitute
the
for the magnetic compass.
As for the magnetic compass. You can
for
use
that
it.
particular activity
For that
only.
particular activity.
Substitute sa
But
Compass for
not
that
for
particular activity only.
And telling the direction or the effect of the magnetic, kung paano siya maapektuhan. In that particular topic.
Okay. As a whole,
Hindi.
magnet or electromagnet, kasi pattern na kanyang field. Diba? From north to south. From south to north. From south to north. Ang direction. Okay. What? Ito, nasa gilid ng side ng electromagnet. Diba? Then, ang kaganda doon sa magnet compass, the position is along the perimeter of magnet. Pwede doon sa dulo ng sa dulo ng gilid.
Sa front.
But then, ito lang ko. Lord be so. Outside, inside. Nakakalit ko nga. Parang